Hello friend, welcome back to Diesel Mercedes YouTube channel. So here we have a Sprinter. I forgot what's the year of this baby. It's a low roof 2500. Has like 190,000 miles on the odometer. It's a V6 turbo diesel 3 liter, and this vehicle has forever, for a long time, has a problem with that famous transmission shudder. That means in only certain conditions it will be underneath the load. When the transmission warmed up or the vehicle warmed up, it will have a shudder. Very small one, which was slowly progressing to more and more. Only certain conditions. It will not do in every single gear, and so on and so on. So there's a lot of videos about these transmissions being replaced and the torque converter with it. So this person, this poor person, already did replace transmission with the used one in the Sacramento area here in the California. Then didn't fix the problem. So then the shop, the Sprinter experts, they replaced, or they said they replaced the torque converter, and that didn't fix the problem. The problem is still there. So he ordered another transmission because another shop here in the town, which does transmissions only, said, oh yeah, we just drove it tiny bit and it's the tranny, you need a transmission again, and the quote is $7,000 or $8,000. Where he went to this shop, which does a lot of Sprinters for the FedEx and so on, and the first thing as a diagnose what they did was check the drive shaft. This two-piece drive shaft, you can buy it from the Mercedes-Benz. U-joints are not replaceable because they are so-called stamped in, so it's just, it has this little detail there, it's stamped, so U-joint cannot be replaced unless you do it at home and you will figure out how to put the clips. That will be your custom thing, but the shop will never play with it. It's basically stamped. The U-joint is in it, it's entire part, and it's sold by Mercedes-Benz. Now check this out. After so much time and money spent, check the last U-joint. I don't know if you will, yeah, you cannot feel what I feel, but it's completely, it has like a pop in it. It's not a loose, but it's seized. It's partially seized, and that could absolutely cause all these vibrations which nobody was able to catch. Now you cannot feel this when it's hooked. If you have the transmission shudder, conclusion of this video will be you have to disconnect this shaft completely and check every single U-joint. This one at the very end, there's no leaks or anything, but this one is locked up. It has a spot where it's hard, and that could cause that vibration. So unfortunately this whole part has to be replaced, but they may be, and I will post it later, this is process, there may be actually solution to that transmission shudder. So always guys, check this propeller shaft, drive shaft, whatever we call it, or Mercedes-Benz calls it. Check all the ball joints so there's no excessive play. Many people found here in this ball joint, U-joint, excuse me, in this U-joint, many people fixed their transmission shudder, which they said, oh yeah, I was blindly listening to the YouTube and thinking my tranny it's bad, but also the play. I saw videos where somebody had play in this U-joint that when it was replaced, The guy replaced the whole two-piece drive shaft and his transmission shudder was gone. So there is a hope that this actually will fix the problem. They will first order for this owner, they will order first for him this entire drive shaft. They will test it and then they will continue with servicing. Apparently it needs also back brakes are almost to the metal and so on. So I will keep you posted on this. If this will fix it, I will leave it down immediately as an update in the text underneath the video. I hope you find this helpful for the ownership of sprinters. If you do, please give it a thumb up and please subscribe. I will have more sprinter videos on this channel in the future. Absolutely. I'm still thinking myself buying sprinter for that weekend camping trips. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.